Want to boost your metabolism naturally? Or perhaps you're simply curious about what foods could turn you into a fat-burning machine. Metabolism, it's like the furnace within us, transforming the food we eat into energy. Now imagine stoking that furnace with high-quality firewood, say cranberries, pears, mushrooms, cinnamon, and apples. Each has its unique superpower to crank up the heat and optimize our body's energy production. So, are you ready to stoke your inner furnace? Let's get cooking! Ever thought that tiny, tart cranberries could be your secret weapon against slow metabolism? Me neither until now. Turn out these ruby red berries are packed with antioxidants, those mighty molecules that combat harmful free radicals in our bodies. And guess what? They're also metabolism boosters. You see, these antioxidants help improve our body's metabolic rate by reducing inflammation and oxidative stress. Now, here's a fun fact. Cranberries are often overshadowed by the turkey during Thanksgiving. But let's be real. Who's doing the heavy lifting here? It's the cranberries. They're not just there to add a pop of color and a tangy kick to your plate. They're working overtime, boosting your metabolism while you're busy passing the gravy. So next time you're at the grocery store, don't just walk past these red gems. Give them a chance to shine in your diet, not just on your holiday table. Pears, sweet, juicy, and metabolic superheroes. You bet. Now you might be wondering, what makes this ordinary-looking fruit so extraordinary? Well, it's all in the fiber. Pears are jam-packed with this nutrient, making them a pear-fect metabolism booster. You see, fiber is a bit of a superstar when it comes to our bodies. It keeps things moving along in our digestive system, helping to prevent constipation and promote a healthy gut. But there's more. Fiber also keeps us feeling full and satisfied, which can help curb overeating. And the more efficiently our bodies can process food, the better our metabolism works. It's a win-win. But let's not forget about the taste. Pears are a deliciously sweet treat that can be enjoyed in so many ways. From salads to smoothies, baked goods to just biting into one fresh off the tree, pears are as versatile as they are nutritious. So next time you're picking fruit, remember the humble pear. It's not just delicious, it's also a metabolic powerhouse. Mushrooms. You might love them, you might hate them, but did you know they could rev up your metabolism? Yes, you heard that right. This humble little fungus, often found hidden in your pizza or stealthily tucked away in your salad, is actually a secret weapon for boosting your metabolism. Mushrooms are packed with vitamin D, a nutrient that's vital for bone health and immune function, but also plays a significant role in metabolic regulation. So, while you're enjoying that deliciously earthy flavor, your body is benefiting from a metabolic boost. Now I know, some of you may be thinking, but I'm not a fan of mushrooms. Well, let me tell you, these little fungi are sly. They're determined to win you over, not just with their unique taste, but with their health benefits too. So next time you see a mushroom, remember, it's not just a fungus, it's a metabolism-boosting powerhouse. Who knew that this controversial little fungus could pack such a metabolic punch? Cinnamon isn't just for your latte anymore. Did you know it could also give your metabolism a kick? Yes, indeed! This aromatic spice isn't just a holiday favorite, it's also a metabolic superstar. Thanks to its thermogenic properties, cinnamon can actually cause your body to burn more calories. Think of it as turning up the heat on your inner furnace. Now, you may have heard of the infamous cinnamon challenge, that dare to swallow a spoonful of cinnamon without drinking any water. But let's be real, the true challenge isn't surviving a mouthful of dry spice. The real test is finding creative ways to incorporate more cinnamon into your daily meals. Sprinkle it on your oatmeal, stir it into your smoothie, or even add a dash to your roasted veggies. So dare to take the cinnamon challenge? Your metabolism will thank you. An apple a day keeps the doctor away, and your metabolism in high gear. Apples, often typecast as the health food poster child, are crying out for recognition of their metabolic benefits. They're like the overlooked actor who's been playing a tree in the school play for years. Rich in fiber and water, apples help you stay full, hydrate your body, and kick your metabolism into overdrive. So give apples their moment in the spotlight. Bite into an apple and let it work its metabolic magic. Your body will thank you.